Hey, what's up, guys? Garrett here. So, I have something really cool that I've been working on. I love to work on like cool and interesting projects, especially when learning a new thing. And as I've wanted to be learning more about LLMs and prompt engineering, but also more so like the infrastructure and everything that goes into building an application that surrounds one of these LLMs, I thought it'd be cool to start building a local first virtual assistant. So, this is the website right now. It's called Anna, and this is live. It's Hola Anna. I'll put a link in the description. If you want to sign up for the wait list, you're more than welcome to. I'll probably like charge a little bit for it, but it'll be like a really small, like $50 a year or something like that. And then I think I'll also do like a big discount like at launch or like in the beginning stages. So anyway, like that's coming. But I know that there's other things like LM Studio, I think, is one of them that exists, and this is obviously a very well thought out and featured application, like kind of a wrapper on top of. I don't know if they. I don't think they use Olama under the hood, but I know that they kind of run. I think it actually is a wrapper on top of Llama CPP, and I know that this provides you with this infrastructure to be able to, like, an application to be able to use like an LLM locally. You can just download the app, but like it seems as though you still sort of need to be like someone who has some understanding of development and stuff like that to be able to really get the full experience here. My goal with Anna is actually that anybody can just use an LLM, you have a virtual assistant locally on their machine. There is no need to be a developer. So this is going to be like a very high level of abstraction. We're going to make it kind of like idiot proof or like dummy proof, so to speak. Not that people are stupid, but something that like you don't need to be a developer whatsoever to use. You can download the app, start using it immediately. So basically, if you've ever used the Claude desktop app, I want it to kind of be like that, where you can really just download it and start using it immediately. The difference is that it's going to be local first, and you're not going to be limited to, say, Claude or any other model. You'll be able to choose the model that you want. However, it'll all be local. Eventually, there can be some like cloud element to it. I think eventually there will be like the ability to use non-local LLMs and actually pay for that. But at least in the meantime, it'll be just local and everything, which is great because it'll happen faster. Hopefully it'll happen faster if your computer's strong enough. And then also you'll be able to have the privacy that comes along with local stuff, and it'll be a lot less expensive. And then also, I want to introduce like things like tool calling and MCP servers and the ability to have agents on there and stuff like that. So my goal is for this to be a few things. Number one, I want it to be local first and thus secure and performant. Number two, I want it to be something that anybody can use. Let me go back to Anna. I want it to be something that anyone can use no matter their technical skill level. And then number three, I want it to be like by far, without compromise, the best virtual assistant possible. It is not any of those things thus far, other than being only local right now. But I think that's the goal for me. So I want to show you guys how it actually works. So I'll bring it up here. It's super, super simple right now. Like there's this settings thing, which doesn't even have any settings. Like it's super, super basic right now, right? But I'll just say, hey, how are you? And I'll send this off. There's nothing really indicating that anything is working, but now you can see that, we are typing here. This is a thinking model. So I'm actually using Olama under the hood. It's actually spinning up like an Olama server or Olama serve, and then kind of managing that for you. So it will automatically need to install Olama as a result of, the install process here. And then it's also using an Electron app. You can probably tell with this developer tools from Chrome here. So it's using an Electron app. And then the model that I'm currently using is the smallest DeepSeek model, which is working quite well. Obviously, you can see that a lot still has to be done here, but I'm going to make a lot of videos kind of showing what I'm doing and stuff like that. So I just kind of wanted to share this new project that I'm like super excited about. You can sign up for the wait list now if you want. Anything else that I wanted to mention? I think that's probably it. Yeah, I think that's it. So if you're interested, yeah, go check out the wait list on the website. You can sign up for that, and then you'll get stuff for that. Otherwise, you know, thanks for watching. If you're interested in seeing my journey in building this thing, then please subscribe and all that stuff. Let me know what you think about it. And next video, we'll be back to the educational kind of stuff. But, well, we'll also be coming out with more educational stuff. I also have a couple courses that I've been working on. So the one coming out soon is going to be prompt engineering. That's going to be on my website, garrettlove.com. And I look forward to making more videos for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.